Yeah, he's 8 years old, and today he's going to perform a challenge, the Rubik's Cube. I'm sure you all heard of it. As you can see, this Rubik's Cube is completely mixed up. Dayon is going to not only attempt to get all the colors, but get all the colors at a time that's almost unheard of by an 8-year-old. Here you go. To prove it, we're not going to stop this clock. We're not going to stop the tape. We're going to turn on the timer. And we're going to start it. Dayon, you ready?
Yeah.
All right. On your march, get set, go. Clock started. Okay, are you looking at what I'm looking at? I mean, look at this boy's fingers. Just don't make no sense. Did I say that this man was 8 years old? I mean, 8. Grown people can't do this. Like you're almost done. Done. Oh man, I actually stopped it a little late too. But look at this time. 1 minute, 52 seconds is actually like 1 minute and 50 seconds because I stopped it a little late. And look at this sucker here. Can you believe it? So daggone pretty. So pretty. Look at this. I mean, this is all the colors. I'm talking about the boy's amazing. That's my boy.